everyone, it's Alicia with Quilts on Tour, and today I want to show you what I put inside our September quarterly subscription box. If you're interested in subscribing to the subscription box, there'll be a link in the description below. Our next one will come out in December. So I'm going to start with the pattern. I picked this one from Cluck Cluck Sew. It's called Bounce, and you can make this either with a layer cake or with fat quarters. And the sizes are from crib to all the way to queen. But I just love like how colorful it is on the picture. But with the fat quarters here, it will make a great little quilt for a girl. But there's no, it's great for beginners because there's no sashing. They're all just blocks that you put together. So it's pretty easy to put together. And I love Cluck Cluck Sew's patterns because the inside of them are really colorful and they're easy to follow. So I hope you enjoy making this quilt. So the next thing I want to show you is our fat quarters. And this fabric line is from Poppy Cotton and it's called Country Roads. And it's inspired by the John Denver song Country Roads. And I just really love all the soft pink and blues. And there's words from the song actually on a couple of these, some hexagons. This one's my favorite. It's like a navy with the pink flowers. Some just different colors here. It's really great. It doesn't look too, it looks girly but doesn't look too babyish, I guess. And that's why I really like this fabric line. I also have some hexagons here. There's 100 in this pouch. And this is what we can use for our zipper pouch project that's included. Or you can just use it for any project that you need. There is some Golden Eye needles by Clover. And these are number 9 betweens, and they're really teeny tiny and they're skinny, but they're great for hand sewing because they don't leave like a big hole in your fabric as you're pulling the needle through. Again, this works great with our hexagon project. There's also this, it's a Hera marker. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these, but it's just like a big plastic paddle that has a sharp edge on the top here. This is great for marking fabrics that you want to quilt on and you don't actually want to take a marker or a pen. I'm still very nervous about using any kind of marking that you can see, even if it's supposed to be water soluble or whatever. It just makes me very, very nervous to do that. So this is great because it leaves like a little crease that you can follow along. It doesn't stay forever, so I would make the crease and then sew. I wouldn't leave it for a long time, but again, you can just recrease it if you have to walk away. But this is a great little tool. We have this Roxannes with a glue basted dip and dab. It actually looks like a little thing of lipstick, but this is glue that you can use for applique or for making your hexagons. It dries clear and it's water soluble, so when you're done, you can wash it and the glue comes right out. But I haven't used this yet, and I'm anxious to see how it works. We have some Gutermann thread. It's 110 yards and it is 50 weight. And this is perfect weight for hand sewing your hexagons together because it's not very thick, so it won't like add some extra bulk in between your seams. And then we have this 11 strips of fabric, and these are to make your hexagons. So you would cut these in 2.5-inch blocks or squares for your hexagons. And the lining for your zipper pouch, a zipper for your zipper pouch, and the Pellon iron-on lightweight lining for it. And we've also have these cute little zipper pulls. This and they're a variety depending on each box. This one's a little measuring tape, but there are scissors and sewing machines and a whole bunch of different little sewing themed notions. And this is to go on your zipper pouch. And there's also instructions on how to make the zipper pouch, and there'll be a video as well. So if you didn't get the September box, but you want to make the zipper pouch, you can watch that video as well. And there's also this little treat in here. It's a marshmallow from the Artesian Marshmallow Company in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. I live about 15 minutes from this little store, and I keep driving by it, and I was like, I bet everybody would love these yummy little marshmallows in their box. So every month or every box there's a special treat. I try to keep it local to where I'm at, just to help support local businesses. Plus, it's something that not everybody gets a chance to try. So I hope you enjoy your little treat. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our videos and tutorials that we post. And don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.